Hi, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to use the Data247 file upload utility. So first you need to log into your Data247 account. And then you can find the upload utility under Transactions, File Upload. Now the reason you would want to use our file upload utility is if you already have a spreadsheet or file containing data that you want to process with Data247. So instead of going to our manual transactions page and typing them in one by one, you can send us the whole file at once, and we will send you back the result file. So the first thing that you need to do is choose the service that you want to use. So if you were interested in carrier information, you could choose TextStat, or if you wanted to return an email appended to your file, you would choose Append 24/7 email. I'm going to choose Append 24/7 phone. Next, type in your email address here and confirm it in this next box. Now, once we process your file, we are going to send you a link to this email address, so please make sure that this is a valid email. This next field, max number of records to process, is an optional field. So let's say you had a larger file of client contacts and you only wanted to process the first 1,000 records. You could put 1,000 in this box, and we would only process the first 1,000 records of that file. So next, click Continue, and it brings you to a page where you can upload the file that you want processed. So if you see here under Details, it says that you have selected the service, Append 24/7 phone, and then it asks you for some required fields for this service. And in this case, you can select which type of data you'd like to provide. So either name, address, city, state, zip code, or name, address, city, state, or name, address, zip code. So for now, I will leave it on this selection. Now we can click here to upload our file. And note that uploaded files must be in Excel or CSV format. If it is a text file, all data must be comma delimited with one line per record. So let's take a look at the file that I'm uploading. This is an Excel file, and as you can see, each contact is on a separate line, and there's different columns for each of the contact's information, such as first name, last name, address, city, state, etc. So now let's click Continue. And you can see it shows us a preview of our file. And it asks that you select your different required fields. So in this case, we need to select name, address, city, state, and zip code. So these required fields will change depending on the service. If you had selected TextStat, for example, you would only have to provide the phone number. So I'll now select my column names. First name, last name, address, city, state, and zip code. And as you can see, a lot of these had already been pre-selected for me because I had headers in my file. If you hadn't had headers in the file, then you wouldn't have seen those pre-selected options. So now I've told the file upload utility where to find all of the required columns in my file. I don't need to do anything with the other columns since Append 24/7 phone doesn't require this information. So now click Upload. And you can see you get a success message here saying your file upload was successful, and when your file is finished processing, you will receive an email with a link to retrieve it. You can also click here to view your most recent file uploads. And you can see here's the file that we uploaded, the service that we chose, the number of records that were processed, and here is the result link. So when you click here, you'll be able to get your processed file. And that's it. Now you know how to upload a file to Data247 to be processed. Thanks for watching.